24/7 Teachers Training, a lesson-by-lesson tutorial for homogeneous teaching. We are an EdTech textbook publishers.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear teacher. I welcome you on behalf of the Snowman publishers. In this video, we will cover the topic of water from Chapter 8 of Science Grade 5. The video will cover water and its importance, saving water, sources of water, and water cycle. So let's get started with the teaching plan. Greet the students with a smile and ask them how they are. Then start introducing the lesson with a quick recap of what the students already know. Remember to always start building a new lesson upon previous knowledge of the students. Hence, you may ask them, can you name some sources we can obtain water from? Do you waste water? Can we drink water from the sea? Keep connecting their answers with new questions so that a foundation to the lesson is developed. This will help the students revise their knowledge about water. Keep writing the responses on the board. Ask the students about different ways in which they use water in their daily life. Keeping in view their answers, ask them what they think would happen if they run out of water on the earth. Then, with the help of the textbook, tell them about the importance of water. Tell them about different sources of water on earth. Ask the students if they waste water, then conduct a discussion in the class on how we can save water. Prepare a chart or model of the water cycle. You can also use the board or multimedia if it is available. With the help of the textbook and the chart or model that you have prepared, explain to the students the water cycle. In between the lecture, you may also ask them what might happen if any step of the water cycle is disturbed, like there are no rains for many years, or if the snow does not melt, etc. With the help of the students, quickly recap the lesson. Try to make the student participation more. For homework, you can ask the students to prepare a chart or a diagram in their notebooks of the water cycle. Thank you, Honorable Teacher, for your listening. Allah Hafiz.